Bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kiki Hardianti, my student ID from class Majoring in Information System. Here I will be presenting my project for the English course, which is about hardware, software, and operating system in computer. Enjoy the watching! Okay, now I will discuss what hardware is on computer, getting to know hardware. What is hardware? It is a collection of physical components that are in the computer companies whose job is to assemble the computer device so that the computer can function properly. Or in the other words, hardware can also mean a physical computer device that can be touched. Its content related to the computer working system. Okay, next. Definition of hardware according to expert. 1. Sunato Escom site. Hardware is the supporting device for ADPC, electronic data processing system that can be felt and touched. 2. Wijaya Ariana and Denny Afrianto site. Hardware is a computer component that can be felt physically, that is, it can be seen and touched. 3. Yuda Yudanto, Yunus Sulityo, and Dedi Gunawan site. Hardware is the physical component that make up a computer. Next, hardware is a support of electricity storage, output process, and input. All hardware will be connected in an interage system so that it functions for input processing and output data. Hardware also functions to run the operating system and the application need to be by user. Some hardware support connectivity so that the computer can connect to a network or the internet, such as a network card, LAN, and Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, next. Various types of hardware in a computer. 1. Hardware input is a device that can be used to input data into a computer. The dash has been entered is a process in a process. 2. Process device. This is the device that processes and processes data on the computer. 3. Output hardware. This is the hardware on the computer that is used to print and display information from the result of data input originating from the input hardware that has gone through the hardware process. Okay, next, hardware example is 1. Power supply to change the voltage from AC to DC and then supply the voltage to component that record current and the voltage. 2. CPU, central processing unit, to manage a program instruction on the computer and also a space to manage all activities that occur in the computer. 3. Motherboard, to connect and control all the major elements on a computer or digital device. 4. Hard disk, for booting on a computer the stored media for the operating system used by the computer, as well as the data storage media with a very large size so that user can store a lot of data. 3. Okay, next. video adapter or GPU and VHC card for connection data equipment with output equipment in the form of a monitor screen to maximize screen vacation so that it can display graphics with the best resolution and color quality. 6. Sound card to process all types of data in the form of audio or sound is a connector from audio output to speakers and is a connector from sound input from the computer via microphone. 8. Caching for placing hardware companies, for example power supply, floppy disks, motherboard, CD-ROM, and DVD-ROM. Okay, next. 9. C- CRT, LCD, and LED monitor for the screen that includes turning the display on and off, controlling the brightness, contrast, and position of the video information production. Hardware conclusion. Hardware is a physical component of a computer system that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware plays an important role in executing software instructions and including input processing, storage, and input device. The performance and capabilities of a computer depend heavily on the quality and the specification of the hardware used. Okay, next. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Next, here I will a little about software and operating system on computer. Understanding software and operating system on computer. What is software? Software is collection in instruction or program that regulate how a computer works and perform certain tasks. Software is non-physical, different from hardware. Simply put, software is the brain that allow a computer to be used for various things such as typing documents, browsing the internet, playing games, or processing data. Software is divided into two main types. Then next, system software. Example operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Application software used to perform specific tasks by user. Example Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, or photo editing application. Uh, Example of popular software: Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Chrome, Zoom. Next, wait, sorry. Uh, Next, various software vacation. 1. Operating computer and not the device to run application for user needs. 3. Managing communication between hardware and the user. 4. Managing file, data, and system. Software in everyday life. Education, learning, and schoolwork. 2. Communication, chatting, and video call. 3. Entertainment, games, music, and movies. 4. Business, financial, report, and presentation. Next. What is operating system? Operating system or operating system is the core software that manages all hardware and software on a computer or other electronic device such as a cell phone. Next, main function of the operating system: manage hardware such as CPU, RAM, and storage, run and manage program or application, manage input, or output processes such as typing on keyboard, the displaying minutes on screen. Next, example of an operating system on a computer: macOS, Windows, Linux. Example of from smartphone. 1. Android, developed by Google, the world's most popular OS from smartphone, used in various brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo. Next, iOS, developed by Apple for iPhone and iPad, recognized as stable device and score can only be used on Apple device. Next, difference between software and operating system. Application software completes specific tasks. Example, what to operating system run and manage the system. Example, Windows, Linux. Application software relies on the OS the run. Okay. Next, conclusion: software and operating system. Software is a program that performs tasks on a computer, while the operating system is the main software that regulates the work of the hardware and the run of the software. The OS is very important for the computer be used as well. Okay, that's all for me. More or less apologies. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.